Okay, so we have created and published pipeline and scheduled it to run. So if we check in the Azure Machine Learning Studio and click pipelines, we can see that it's running as scheduled. And if we click on endpoints, we can see the endpoint with the status active. And we see the bank marketing dataset with the AutoML module in the pipeline. We can also see the registered dataset that we used. And in the experiment, we can see the first one who has two completed runs with the same bank marketing data and AutoML module. And if we see the last one, it's still running as scheduled with the notebooks. So if we want to take a closer look to the experiment, we can see that in the last run, we have the graph, the steps, and in the last run, we can see the date details and the available models that were used to train, and we get the endpoint at bank marketing classification. And now if we click on zoom, we can use the REST endpoint to try and send API request with the key, since authentication is enabled. And we'll just have to put the values there and save the script. And now we're going to try and run it. And we can see that the results are two predictions, yes and no. And we're going to try again to check the consistency. Yes, and we get the same result with the same script, which is good. And now we're going to look at the data.json that was created. We're just going to see what's inside with Notepad. And there you go, the data.